Alright, future self. What do you say, Dad, for your future self?
I say, don't drink and
paddle ski.
And paddle ski. Alright, go on.
Go on, mate. He's towing behind. It might go very badly. Oh, he's got to lock his hub in.
Otherwise I'm going to spray shit at you.
Yeah. Yeah, better hold on, Dad.
Oh, I'm holding on to my beer, mate.
You got to do that. You want me to hold it on for you? Alright. Good luck. This is a bad idea.
Oh, fuck.
Fuck. It's not off.
Yeah.
Too
fat.
I was about to say the same thing. Too fat. Too fat.
Sorry, buddy.
All this.
You need a chain. You need a chain, mate.
I'll get the chain if you want.
You might need it.
That's so good.
Oh, this is still.
You had a zip tie. There's no way in hell that a zip tie would hold me, mate.
This is still a moving picture.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, moving picture.
Oh, if this is my future self, don't do this. Don't do it. Don't.
Bad.
Bad idea.
Yeah, okay.
Get on that thing. Get it on there.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
All right. Yeah. We're all good. This is the setup we've got.
All right.